Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Good to be back again today. Yeah, I'm out today for a serious discussion. So let's go right into the video. I want to share with you precautions that you should take as much as we want to work from home, as much as okay, we've got some website offers. We need to be very careful. One, please, this is more like an awareness video, so to speak. So after my last upload, I received an email, someone telling me that she got a website where she could review products and she has been asked to pay. Please. And that's why I see the need to make this video. Any websites that want you to review their product and ask you to pay, please run as fast as your leg can carry you. Why ask you to pay? When you're using your time, your own resources, you're using your data. So what are you paying for? Hey, please pay. So I want you to know that as much as there are legitimate websites out there, legitimate companies, there are scams as well. So do not fall victim of fraud, do not fall victim of scam, and do not fall victim of circumstances. Circumstances in the sense that you do not read their terms and conditions. Talking about that, let me give you a gist of what happened to me sometimes last year. Like last year, I did a lot of online gigs. Yeah, my eyes was open to a lot of ways to make money online, and I did make sense. That's how a friend told me about an app where you just do a research for them and they will pay you. One, I did not find out how much do you have to earn for you to cash out. And two, I forgot the fact that my friend was in the UK. So one thing you have to be sure of, okay, these companies can be legitimate, but will they pay you in your region? How much do you have to make before you can cash out? These are one of the questions you should ask, and asking these questions, not necessarily asking people. It is written on their website. It is written there, but I did not see that part because I was eager to earn. That's why I always say, so when I say read terms and conditions, read websites, read reviews, this is what I'm talking about, because I did not. So only for me to do the 1 hour gig and 1 hour research on my phone, and I saw the money, like my dashboard, I could see that, oh, it has been approved. Like they got the research I did, it was okay. They as they went through all the screening, all the check-ins, and it was okay. I still see the money in my dashboard up until now. But why can't I cash out? Because I didn't make up to $100. And why didn't I make more? Because they don't have any more gigs in my region. People in the UK know them very well, like they are cashing out very well in the UK. So my friend just told me, oh, you're in Canada, this is that. I downloaded. So these are things. As human beings, we are lazy to read through the terms and conditions. We are lazy to read the reviews. We are lazy to, like, for so many reasons, we don't do these things. We just work on people's opinion about the company. Like, oh, ExtraStepsCeo, Fumila said it on a video that she was paid. People just download and before you know it, you don't see the money and you now come after me. Like I went after my friend that, oh, young lady, I've done this, I can see the money. Why is it that they've not paid me? She now said, oh, she now asked me, did you make up to $100? As in, I said no. How can I? She was okay, go to the website and do more of the research. I went to the website, no more research to do. I sent them emails that, okay, I've done this research, bring more gigs, and they said, we do not have any more gigs in your region. But what will they do? That's why I tell people, that is their policy. If it is not $100, they are not giving you. So that's one lesson. That was a big lesson for me. And that's why I tell people, in your business, have terms and conditions, have policies that you cannot bend. Even if I come as the president's daughter, don't bend rules for me. Like they did, it's their mistake in the sense that they are probably not well grown in my region, but they had maybe a company they worked for in my region. Probably that was the only company that gave them the gig in my region, and I was the only and I was the one that did it. But because it is their policy that we cannot cash out until $100, they did not. This is what I tell people in your business. Have rules. Don't bend rules. So the first thing is read their rules and regulations. Read their terms and conditions. Know what applies to your region. Don't just go like, oh, I'm doing this, I'm reviewing this app for them, I'm reviewing this product for them, and at the end of the day, you don't get paid. Why? Because they don't pay people in your region. That's number one. Then number two, any company that says you should review product and ask you to pay, please run. Even if they are legitimate, run. It's their product, it's your time, so you should be paid for your time. There's value to every time you do a work for someone. Add value to it. Add value. Then number three, check if they have email addresses, check if they have phone numbers, check their physical address. If there's a physical address on that website, please check your Google map and see it. Make sure this address is existing. If there's a phone number, call the phone number. If it says out of service, that's a red flag. If there's a website, it should not just be a generic website. Try to send emails, and if these emails goes and they don't respond, they are not ready for business. Or the email sometimes goes and bounce back and tell you failure delivery. Not them. Did you get? So these are things you need to watch out. Then send them emails and make sure the email address is not just a generic email address. Just to know that these people are for real and you will not waste your time. Then number four, any website that wants you to work for them and they start asking for your social insurance number, please take a bow. Or they start asking you for your bank details. Why? If it's PayPal, they don't need your bank details. What they need is just your email address that is linked to your PayPal account. No account details. If they start asking you for such, do a double check. Okay? And make sure most of these websites are secured. And if you are not sure if they are secured, please always browse them in a privacy setting on your laptop. Incognito. I hope I got that right. Like, always browse them on a privacy setting. Please. Then I know some people, I've spoken to some people that they think, oh, well, I'm not paying anything. Is it not just to get information? You put this information, this website sell your information. That's why some of us still receive some unsolicited emails that you're not opting for. It's because some people had sold your email addresses. So it's not just enough to say, oh, is it not just they are not asking me for money? No. Then by putting your information in such websites, you are opening yourself up to be a victim of identity theft, or opening your laptop up for virus. So these are things we really should watch out for. It's not every website fine, they are free. It's not every one of them that means well. They are just out there doing their business, and if you fall victim, that will be too bad. So please, all I want to implore you is, okay, there are so many businesses out there, there are so many websites out there. as much as you want to work, they too want to scam. Like I am a business, I am an independent business owner of TLC, Total Life Changers. I saw the product, I've heard about the product, I got some samples before I even decided to join. The person that told me about this product gave me samples that I tried for like 2 weeks before I even decided to join. So the only reason why you can part with your money to a company is if it's a company that is selling products and that you must buy this product and sell, or buy this product at a discount. You know, like I with that, I pay for their product, I give people my website, they buy their product, and I receive incentive for such purchase. That is different. That's a situation whereby you could part with money. But if someone is saying website that wants you to work for them, or that wants you to review their product or review their apps, or that say work from home, and they give you a 1,001 IQ test to do, or like what are they testing? Because I want to work from home, or because it's a because I want to work on your website. What then are you testing? What are you testing? Please be careful. These are all indications that they are scams. Yes. And if they send you anything at all, any email they send you that has a link, don't open the link. I can't say this enough. Don't open a link that you are not sure of. No matter how secure that you think these links are, do not open a link that you are not sure of. Please, the times are hard. Let us be hard ourselves. We don't have to fall victim of circumstance. We don't have to fall victim of scam carelessly. Because some we are careless, some we are just too lazy to make findings. Like I've told you my own experience. Thank God they are not scam. At least the money is still looking. But the time spent on, like, you know, that 1 hour I would have done something else, something more profitable, even if it is just to sleep, which I enjoy to do. Phone numbers, do a thorough research. If you want to know about them, write the website and put scam behind it. It will bring everything online that has to do with them that is in connection with scam money. But if someone is saying review my app, review my product and pay, please, no, don't do that. Okay? The times are hard. People are out there looking for whom to scam. Do not fall victim. Be wise, and stay awake. So, thank you for watching my video today. As you all know, this is the ExtraStepsCeo YouTube channel. I share information on tips on how you can grow your business that you can start, and of course, monetizing your skills and knowledge is something I am passionate about. Whatever skills that you've got, whatever knowledge that you've had over the years that has helped you, and people still come to pick your brain for, it's time for you to earn money from it. You could earn money in so many ways. And being a new entrepreneur myself, on this platform, I will be taking you through my journey, review products, software, and platform that I have found useful in my entrepreneurship journey. If this sounds interesting to you, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come and watch and share my videos. Thank you so much. Until I come again next time. Bye now.